BODR Promotions presents
the all-new weekend hotspot. Club Voo's, formerly known as Club Deja Vu. Black Eve, One Ornaway, B65, OJE. Every Friday and Saturday night at Club Voo's with the biggest and best DJs from around the West Midlands, including DJ EJ, The War Addicts, Immortal Sound, Big John 2000, Squilly Bashman, Slip the Beater, Valentino, The Remix Master, DJ Sean 14, DJ JJ, Springer, Trudos and the Main Man, Craigie Boy, Chater, Taxi, Saber, DJ Sean,
Greg and Jesse,
Ecstasy 4x4, DJ Wiley, Mad Riot, DJ Shads,
DJ KB,
Ricky True English and
many more.
Music policy, R&B, bassline, old school garage, bashment, funky organs, dubstep and much more. Free entry before 11, £5 thereafter. For more info, contact 078384 30895 or 07895 895 137. That's every Friday and Saturday night. Club Voo's Black Eve. Be there!
Ayo, 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 ayo.